Grug has a problem. Grug works every day. Hunts mammoth, gathers berries, trades fish. Every day, same effort. Same result. Grug tired. Then one day, old wise cave elder sits next to Grug by fire. Elder has done nothing for 20 years. Just sits, eats well, sleeps more than anyone, has more teeth than entire tribe combined. Grug confused. Grug asks Elder, how? Elder smiles, pulls out small rock, places it on ground. He says, Grug, this rock makes more rocks, and those rocks make even more rocks. And those rocks make even more rocks, forever. Grug stares at rock for a very long time. This, my friend, is compound interest. And it is the closest thing to actual magic that exists in the financial world. Today, Grug explains what compound interest is, how it works, and why starting early is the single most important financial decision. Not the smartest investment, not the highest return, not the best stock pick. Starting early, that is it. Let Grug explain why. Compound interest is earning interest on your interest. Simple interest is boring. You put in 1,000 teeth. You earn 10% per year. Every year you earn exactly 100 teeth. After 10 years you have 2,000 teeth. Linear, flat, predictable. Boring, compound interest is different. You put in 1,000 teeth. You earn 10% in year 1, 100 teeth. Now you have 1,100 teeth. Year 2, you earn 10% on 1,100, 110 teeth. Now you have 1,210 teeth. Year 3, 121 teeth. Now you have 1,331 teeth. Notice what is happening. You are earning more every single year. Not because you added anything. Not because you worked harder. Your money is working. And then your money's earnings are working. And then your money's earnings are working. It compounds. It snowballs. It builds on itself forever. After 10 years with compound interest, 2,594 teeth. After 20 years, 6,727 teeth. After 30 years, not 4,000, 17,449 teeth. Same starting amount, same interest rate. Just time doing the work. Grug stares at numbers. Grug needs to sit down again. Now here is where it gets truly extraordinary. The most powerful factor in compound interest is not the interest rate. It is not how much you invest. It is time. Time is the engine. Everything else is just fuel. Let Grug show you with 2 cave people. Cave person 1, smart Sarah. Sarah starts investing at age 25. She puts in 200 mammoth teeth per month. She earns 8% per year. At age 35, she stops completely. Never adds another tooth. Just lets it sit and compound for 30 more years. Total amount Sarah ever invested, 24,000 teeth over 10 years. Cave person 2, late Larry. Larry does nothing until age 35. Then he starts investing 200 teeth per month, same 8% per year. He invests every single month without stopping until age 65. Total amount Larry ever invested, 72,000 teeth over 30 years. Larry invested 3 times more money than Sarah, 3 times more, for 3 times longer. Who has more at age 65? Sarah. Sarah has more. Sarah, who stopped at 35, has more money at 65 than Larry, who invested 3 times as much for 3 times as long. Let that sink in. Sarah, 24,000 teeth invested leads to 643,000 teeth. Larry, 72,000 teeth invested leads to 489,000 teeth. Sarah wins by 154,000 teeth, by doing less, by starting earlier. This is not a trick. This is not a special case. This is mathematics. Compound interest mathematics. And it is the reason why every single financial advisor on earth will tell you, start now, not tomorrow. Not next year, now. Every year you wait costs you more than a year of investing later can replace. Grug very upset he did not know this at age 25. Grug now telling everyone. Now let Grug show you the rule of 72. This is ancient cave magic. Very simple, very powerful. Take the number 72, divide by your interest rate. Result tells you how many years to double your money. At 6% return, 72 divided by 6 equals 12 years to double. At 8% return, 72 divided by 8 equals 9 years to double. At 10% return, 72 divided by 10 equals 7.2 years to double. At 12% return, 72 divided by 12 equals 6 years to double. Grug invests 10,000 teeth at 8% return. After 9 years, 20,000 teeth. After 18 years, 40,000 teeth. After 27 years, 80,000 teeth. After 36 years, 160,000 teeth. Started with 10,000, ended with 160,000. Never added a single tooth after the beginning. Just time, just compounding. Now apply this to the real world. If you invest $10,000 at age 25 in a simple index fund returning 8% per year and never touch it, by age 61 you have $160,000. By age 70 you have over $300,000. From a single $10,000 investment made once at age 25. One investment. One time. 45 years of doing absolutely nothing. Grug find this deeply satisfying. Now Grug must address the dark side of compound interest, because compound interest works both ways. When it works for you, it builds generational wealth. When it works against you, it destroys everything. Debt compounds too. Credit card at 20% interest rate. You owe 5,000 teeth. You pay only the minimum each month. Year 1, you owe 6,000. Year 2, 7,200. Year 3, 640. Year 5, 12,441. Year 10, 30,958. You borrowed 5,000. You now owe 31,000. You have paid minimums for 10 years. And you owe 6 times what you originally borrowed. This is the same magic, same mathematics, but working against you instead of for you. This is why Grug says, compound interest is the best friend of the disciplined and the worst enemy of the careless. The banks understand this perfectly. They use compound interest to grow their wealth while using it to drain yours through debt. The only difference between becoming wealthy and becoming buried in debt is which side of compound interest you are on. On the earning side, invest early, invest consistently. On the debt side, pay it off as fast as possible, never carry high-interest debt. Simple rules, hard to follow. Life-changing if you do. Grug learned this the hard way after the great mammoth debt crisis of 8000 BC. Grug not recommend. To summarize, compound interest is earning returns on your returns. Time is the most powerful variable, more powerful than the amount. Starting early beats investing more later every single time. The rule of 72 tells you how fast your money doubles. The most important action you can take after watching this video is simple. Start today, not a large amount. Just start. Even 50 teeth per month, compounding for 40 years, becomes something extraordinary. Money compounding goes forward forever. Grug choose forever. Next video. Grug discovers the stock market. Tribe thinks it is gambling. Grug will explain why. Do not miss it.